How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And as always, if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick. But other than that, let's get right into it. Aurora Cannabis earnings surged by 2,800% after it produces 11,000 pounds of pot in 3 months. Oh my god, guys. This is insane. Earnings attributable to common shareholders surged 2,862% to $104.2 million Canadian, while total revenue was at $29.7 million Canadian. With the Canadian Cannabis Act in effect as of October 17, 2018, Aurora completed its first shipment to adult use wholesalers just prior to the end of the current quarter. It sold 2,676 kilograms of cannabis, roughly 5,900 pounds in the quarter, up 201% from this time last year. This is what we need to see. We need to see that insane growth. Aurora Cannabis said revenue jumped 260% over the last 12 months, with kilograms produced climbing to 4,996, more than 11,000 pounds of cannabis from 1,010 over the past year, up nearly 400%. Awesome. The company said its gross margin on cannabis rose 12% compared with the first quarter of 2019 and is now at 70%. The increase in gross margin was primarily driven by a higher average selling price per gram of dried cannabis, coupled with a higher proportion of cannabis oil sales. Cash cost to produce per gram of dried cannabis sold decreased 22.5% year over year and fell 14.7% from the prior quarter thanks to more efficient production implemented at one of the company's subsidiaries. Awesome. Cutting down costs. With the Canadian Cannabis Act in effect as of October 17, 2018, Aurora completed its first shipments to Canadian provincial wholesaler of the adult use market just prior to the end of the current quarter and recorded $0.6 million in adult use cannabis sales. The next few quarters is going to be insane for this. We continue to successfully execute our differentiated and diversified strategy committed towards domestic and international expansion in the medical cannabis market, adult consumer use sales, production scale-up, innovation, plant and medical research, and product development, said Terry Booth, CEO of Aurora. Given the strong unmet consumer demand evident across Canada, we are confident that our rapidly increasing production capacity will result in continued acceleration of revenue growth. The company saw its average price per gram slightly lower to $9.19, down from $9.20 in the prior quarter. It sold 2,676 kilograms of cannabis, roughly 5,900 pounds in the quarter, up 201% from this time last year. Aside from the raw financial numbers, Aurora highlighted the launch of Aurora Cloud in the first fiscal quarter of 2019, making it the first licensed producer supplying a vape-ready CBD oil cartridge to the market. It also underscored the complete acquisition of MedRelief, a research and development heavy company devoted to developing top quality cannabis. The addition of MedRelief beefs up Aurora's total funded capacity to more than 500,000 kilograms per year. Combined with MedRelief, Aurora now has 2 production facilities certified by the European Union's Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP, a regulatory requirement for medicine manufacturers. So what it seems to me is that Aurora is killing it right now. Do you see all these numbers, all these beats, triple digits, 400%, 201%, insane. And since the legalization of cannabis in Canada just occurred this other month, I believe in the next quarter these numbers will get even more insane. And yeah, and as you see, the stock is climbing back up into the positive range. So I'd say These numbers are very good, but I don't know why it's still in the red. This is what you want to see in the companies. Just increase revenue, increase production. They're cutting down on their costs. It's just insane. And as you see here, they are ready. They have around 500,000 kilograms of capable production, and there is an unmet consumer demand in Canada and in the rest of the world. And Aurora is going to be ready because it has such a high production capacity. So Aurora's ready. Aurora's ready to take over the game. It's just insane, man. And I'm happy. I wish I can put a lot more money in, but I don't have that much money on me right now. Just overall, very, very, very great numbers. And it's only going to keep getting bigger from here. And that's the end of the video, guys. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. And I'll see you guys in the next one.